It's a glorious day at Cabinet Joint. I'm Nick and I'm here to talk to you about shelf options and matching interiors. Our standard shelf option is going to be a 3/4 inch thick white birch plywood. It is edge banded on the front edge only. So as you can see here, we have a white birch edge band and then the white birch finish. This is going to be a standard. It matches all the interiors of our cabinets. An upgraded option would be a solid wood, which is also white birch. It's also 3/4 inch. However, it has a bull nose edge on the front. Great option when you're spanning a little bit larger lengths, just to reduce the opportunity of sag or anything like that. The third option is going to be a square edge solid wood, which comes in 3/4 inch thick or even 1 inch thick. This is a great option when you want to use something like walnut. If you have an exposed walnut bookshelf, this is a fantastic option. It can be done in almost any species. So we can do quarter sawn, rip sawn white oak, do standard white oak, hard maple cherry. Use a lot of different options here. So ultimately we're just utilizing a panel, the appropriate size. The difference being that it will be square edged. Fantastic option to give that really truly custom finished look. Not only any species, it can be done in any standard paint color. It can be also finished in our Prism paint colors. As you can see behind me, this is a black matching interior. This contains a 3/4 inch plywood, edge banded, and it is all finished in the same color as the interior of that bookshelf. Keep in mind when you are spanning larger areas, plywood, while it does the trick, like here I have about 34 inches of width, depending on what you're putting on those shelves, there is the risk that it could sag. And so a great option is to go with the solid wood and probably even 1 inch thick. It probably won't even move a millimeter over the life of that. And so there's 3 primary shelf options that you can choose from here at Cabinet Joint. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your cabinet coach or give us a call, 888-211-6482. Thanks.